Howdy folks, welcome back to Harper's Playhouse. Today we have the all new Bloopies. Check this out. We got this from Amazon. So I would try this out and do a little review on it. These are new. They're absolutely adorable. They're your little bath time buddy friends. So let me unbox this and get these little bad girls out. Or are they good girls? Are they bad or good? They're good? Yeah, like you? What's that? What is that? Yeah, it does. And it says right here. It says watch on KitTunes. Alright, but let me get them out of the box and we'll take a look at them up close, and Harper will be playing with them tonight in the bathtub. Maybe I'll take it back with her and we'll play with the Bloopies. Anyways, these are the Bloopies. Are you coming back in? This is really cute. The inside of the box, I obviously can't take this, but it's like a little bathroom. I'm gonna take this out. Check them out. Watch. Anyways, this is what it is. Oh, we got these cute little girls. I'm not really sure what their names are, but we'll get to it in a minute. But let me get these girls out. Oh, they're so adorable. I like them. They're my new favorites. What you got? Like a little play area. You got a water tub, a little dude, an octopus, a fish, and there's like the back wall, like they're in the bathtub going floop, floop, floop. Uh-oh, the wall broke. But it has a little suction cup right here, so you put it on the wall, suction, and you got the little netting right here, and you kind of pop that down. Little mesh, so they dry. Really neat. Anyways, we have her. I don't know, I've never seen anything about these, I don't know their names, but they're really adorable. Look at this, you pull this string like this, and then it winds, and then they kind of go real fast. Her hair looks like the coronavirus. I hate to say that, I'm sorry, man. But it's cute. She's adorable. And then we have this little pink one. She's got a unicorn floaty. The same thing, you just pull it back right here, and then it rewinds itself back up, and that's how they move along in the water. Absolutely adorable. Cute, 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 and cute. This. And there you go. They store just like that. Pretty neat. There you go. And move your bottom hand. There you go. And that's how she would go real fast in the water. Woo! Hi, what's your name? You look like me. Yeah, you do. Are you a Bloopie? Are you a Bloopie? I'm whitehead. Oh, gosh. I'm coronavirus head. The germs. You got the germs. And I'm just cute little Pinkie Pie. Alright, say thanks for watching at least.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time,
See
folks.
you next time.
That's all, folks. That's all, folks. Uh-oh. She's looped. Hold on. I'll turn this off. There you go. Uh-oh. I don't think that's how it's meant to be. Let's see, maybe if I get some water in it. It becomes top heavy and just falls backwards. It could be a bright idea, but... Whoa, you're getting dizzy. And there you go. They're all hanging here in the Bloopy mobile. There you go. Just suction cups right to the thing. Alright, happy. Loop you later.